Hi, it's Marek. Welcome to MDrives. Today I have in my car Misha, the legend of Nurburgring, and we're gonna do the lap in my M2. Something I was really looking forward to because obviously I can drive my M2 to its full potential, so it will be absolutely amazing to find out what this car in this form can actually do. So I'm going to shut up for now and I'm going to let you hear the car and enjoy the lap.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's a manual, so it's always nice to get your senses back up. It's also on B16 Bilstein. It's the same suspension we'll be installing in my GR86.
All right.
Yeah, so just brought the car actually yesterday to the workshop to have everything installed. So it'll be interesting.
Brilliant. PS4S's all around.
Good. What We're not allowed to overtake on the right, that's why it was a bit of a weird maneuver there.
Already like a ride of a lifetime.
That's good, I'm happy enjoying it.
Yeah.
The other thing I really am weirded out about with right-hand drive M2s is the, what's it called, the armrest is so in the way with shifting gears.
It is a bit, yeah.
are holding up nicely so far, so that's good.
Good, very good.
What's he doing here? Brushes are nice, 2.5 bar for PS4S, that's good.
Absolutely amazing. Thank you, Misha.
Yeah,
that was experience of a lifetime, honestly. And the car survived.
Yeah, the car is okay. Suspension good. The brakes, not sure they could do a second lap.
Not one of yours, definitely.
Yeah, but the rest was good. Now we can enjoy some aircon.
I think the only thing I would probably change in this car are the seats.
Yes. Yeah.
I was all over the place.
Yeah, the stock M2 seats, like the base M2, is really, especially with driving, it's a good shoulder workout. That was nice.
Great, thank you. I really appreciate it. I mean, this car probably will never go as fast as this. So yeah, it was a good test. Oh, brakes.
Yeah. Those are your brakes then.
Oh god. Smoky.
Yeah. Now we need to be quick to cool them down.
Yeah. I think the rear is fine, it's just the front, isn't it?
Yeah, it's always like that. And here always everyone is slow, picking a parking spot.
And it's done. Thank you very much, Misha.
Yeah.
Again, I really appreciate it. It's, you know, it was brilliant to meet my hero.
Thank you.
Honestly, thank you. Really enjoyed it, and yeah, you're doing really good work on your channel.
Thank you.
So yeah, if you don't follow Misha, go and head to his channel and make sure you follow him. Yeah, thank you again.
Thank you so much for the trust, and I enjoyed the car. It's a good car. Next
No,
time.
it was great test for the car, and it survived.
Yeah. The
Well,
suspension is very good. Just like, yeah, the brakes. The brakes we need. You saw it yourself.
Yeah.
Second lap wouldn't be possible.
No.
What a way to experience the truck. And if you would like to experience it from behind Misha's shoulder, make sure you watch my other video from that drive. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Do widzenia.